We should start, not a war, we should start a competition between all of the drink stops.
Okay.
And see what drink they come up with using hibiscus.
I love it.
I'm just saying, if we want to stretch this topic out. I delivered that impromptu challenge a week ago, and we reached out to our favorite soda shops who are always willing to play. In fact, they heard the battle cry. But the issue was many of the soda shops don't carry hibiscus year-round on the menu. However, you can order a bottle of hibiscus syrup on Amazon, so we are taking matters into our own hands. Our very own Studio 5 food producer, Alex Danes, answered that call. We're gonna play with some hibiscus syrup today.
Yes, we are.
Yeah?
We're leaning in.
Flavor of the year. As our food editor, Chelsea, highlighted many weeks ago, you're gonna start seeing it pop up in foods and drinks, but we can make our own.
Totally. I'm all about, copycat recipes a little bit and just like taking it and running with it, and then you can do it in your own kitchens at your own place.
All right, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hibiscus-inspired drinks for us today. What's the first one?
Yeah, we've got a palette for everybody. So the first one's a lemonade hibiscus.
Okay.
And this one is beautiful. I will say as it layers, we're doing ice here because, it's gonna make it feel fuller, but you'll see it here as well. It just, the way that the color layers. So we start with a base of just lemonade here.
Look how pretty that is. That is art in a cup.
But watch, this is the hibiscus syrup. Watch when this layers in because
this is the magic?
It magically does it on its own. We pour it and it goes straight to the bottom there.
Oh my goodness.
So satisfying, so satisfying.
Look how beautiful.
And then this one, I just top off with a little bit of honey.
Yeah.
And then also fresh ginger. So I just grate that into the top for a little bit of zing to this. Oh, it's so good.
All of the male members of our production team think we're crazy talking about how beautiful a drink is, but come on.
Look at it. You can't deny how beautiful this is.
We appreciate beauty in all its
We
forms.
do. What do you think? You want to give it a taste?
I do. I definitely
You're going to be our official hibiscus
I'm
taster?
here for it.
Okay, I'm putting her to work.
Oh, that's good.
It's really good.
No, that is good.
Yes.
That's refreshing.
So the flavor profile of hibiscus is a little bit tart.
Yeah.
So we're pairing it with sweetness and we're playing up the flower.
So that's why you added the honey and the ginger is to counteract the sour.
Yep.
I see what you're doing.
You're with me.
This is like your baby shower, wedding shower specialty drink of the season.
Oh, absolutely. And you can do it in a bar form where you can make your own.
Right.
And then it's just so fun and so playful.
I don't know if we're gonna get better than that, but give me your second idea.
I will say I started with my favorites. Okay, a little ice here. This one is the Mojito.
Okay.
So what we do first is we actually take a little bit of fresh mint, however much you like, and then we squeeze a little bit of lime juice into the base.
Okay.
Like so. And then you want to use like a wooden spoon. Really, any spoon will do. And you just kind of want to press that mint.
Okay.
Work it in here, and that's going to bring out and draw out that minty flavor.
Okay, I smell it already.
You can smell it. And then soda water. So any soda water, sparkling water that you like, top that off here. And then, of course, every drink we're doing today is using the same hibiscus syrup. So you can buy it once and use it 5 different ways. So it's well worth the purchase.
And sometimes I like to hype up a specialty drink or a dessert fits into this category too and make it just a thing. Like for my kids, right? It becomes kind of the drink of the day or something fun that we're doing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Here you go.
Am I going down alone? Sorry if I keep jumping in.
No, you're great. I want you to. You're giving us your honest feedback here.
That is so good.
It's really good.
So, I didn't even know I liked hibiscus, and now I can't live without it.
I know, the splash, the mint paired with the flowery floralness of the hibiscus, it's subtle, but delicious.
Good, all right.
Delicious, delicious.
What's next?
Okay, we have to have the ice. I just feel like it'll be lacking without.
Right.
Okay, this one my little brother actually came up with. He's kind of a mixologist, so he named it the Dewbiscus.
The Dewbiscus.
And that is because we're reaching for Mountain Dew.
I like where he's going. What's his name?
His name's Jack.
Jack.
He'll be thrilled that we're talking about him.
Jack, you are a mixologist.
He is. He really is.
Yeah.
We have all the Tarani syrups at home, and we just play with flavor.
Okay, orange.
So orange juice there, Mountain Dew for the Dewbiscus.
Which may I say, not to deviate from hibiscus today, but
No.
last week on Friday we celebrated KSL News Radio's 100-year anniversary, and we toasted with some friends to the Thirst KSL News Radio drink, which was your basic like coconut lime creamer, but they added orange, and I was totally smitten with the citrus splash.
Totally.
What did you do? Sorry.
No, you're great. Mountain Dew, orange, coconut cream, and passion fruit. Just a couple splashes here.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot the coconut in this guy. That's okay.
All right.
The hibiscus,
I didn't miss it.
You didn't miss it.
It was really good.
And then hibiscus here, topping off. And each time I'm doing about a tablespoon. Again, pretty layers
of
color.
This is a sunset.
We should have named it. We should have done
what did he
the
call
sunset
it?
biscuit.
No.
We did Dewbiscus.
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 It's fine. It's fine. These straws are enormously long.
I know. I actually meant to trim them for you, but we're embracing it. Here we are.
You're making me sound high maintenance. I'm not. I just haven't seen
No,
that long
that's
of a straw.
these are for the 44 ounces at home when you're making these at home. Really good.
Jack. Good job.
Good job, Jack. Good job, Jack. Okay, grabbing more ice here.
I'm drinking my Calorie City, but I'm fine with it.
I know. I asked her ahead of time, and she was game to play.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is our cherry berry hibiscus, because the tartness of the black cherry syrup is going to pair really well with our hibiscus, as we've noticed.
All right.
So a couple pumps of syrup here.
Cherry.
We can actually buy strawberry puree. So what you get in your favorite soda shop, you can buy it at Harmon's. So we're going to put that in here.
Okay.
And then fresh berries, of course.
Yes.
Berry.
Yes.
So we've got strawberries, we've got raspberries. And then I'm topping this one with Sprite, but Fresca would be delicious.
Sure.
Anything in that flavor profile is going to be
And so far
yummy.
you have kept it very sweet. So the raspberries may be a little subtle tang.
Yeah.
But the hibiscus is going to counteract
The hibiscus, it's pretty tart, as you'll notice, and as you've probably seen as well.
I like it.
But yeah, so a tablespoon of that there.
All right.
And a good mix. I mean,
Here
it's
it
just,
comes.
they're pretty.
They're
we
gorgeous.
keep saying it, but they're pretty. They're pretty drinks.
Oh, I like that. That's different. I didn't expect that.
Yeah. The berries bring out a different flavor in the
Totally
hibiscus. You
different
can play it up different ways, as we've kind of, alluded to
I am in
this instant lesson
All right,
here.
30 seconds. One more.
Okay, this is the final one. This is really easy. I actually found hibiscus juice at the grocery store. So this is a hibiscus juice. But if you can't find it, I put that cranberry juice there to reference as well.
That you could use cranberry.
That you could use that in place of it.
This is a refresher.
This is a refresher. So Starbucks actually carries a hibiscus flavor, and you can do it with blackberries, you can do it with raspberries, and then the hibiscus
syrup.
flavor syrup
Do we know if this comes in sugar-free, the hibiscus?
You know what?
Don't know.
I don't know,
You know,
but it
at
would
this
be
point-
great. It would be great.
Why am I even asking? Because
I know.
I don't care. I need it. I want it.
We need it. Everyone's going to be wanting hibiscus.
That's good.
It's good. This one's more of just like a light, more like a punchy taste rather than the carbonation from the sodas we've got going.
All right, we are going to link you a direct shopping link to Miss Vanna over here. The hibiscus syrup you can get on Amazon, and with that one bottle, you can make all of these fun drinks for the summer season and beyond. Alex, thank you so much.
You're welcome.